Do you want to create a bunch of different folders? Then this video is for you. This is how you can create from a list in Excel a folder of each cell value. Here we have Excel and we have 12 different items that I want to have a folder for. What we need to do is to name all these cell values with the letters MD followed by the name. We also need to remove all the blanks and replace the blanks with, for example, an underline or anything else. You can do this with the substitute formula. So the formula would be in quotation marks MD followed by a space, in quotation mark and an and sign. So you write the letters MD and a space and you add a function substitute, and this is the text, and you want to replace blank cells with underlines, and then you close the substitute function. And now when we copy it down, you'll see that this is not wild space strawberry, it's wild underline strawberry. What you will do next is to copy all the cells and then paste it into Notepad. Let's copy these cells here, open up Notepad and just paste it here. And then you save the file with the extension BAT. The name doesn't matter, but the extension is very important. Let's save it here and change the TXT to be BAT instead. Save it. And what you'll do next is that you locate the file and just press on it. Here we have the file. We double click on it and update the folder. And here you can see all the folders that we've created in just a couple of seconds. And that's how easy it is to create folders from an Excel file. And that's what I wanted to show you in this video. Please subscribe for more awesome tips and tricks in Excel.